these fellas. You've hit the toilets yet now?
I do him.
Yeah. Urinals.
Peel into some monster's mouth. Done that before.
Nick!
Any old stuff.
Nick! This is my boyfriend.
So cheeky, reading.
We're doing right. We're doing. My friend, everybody, Paula
Come on, do your thing. Let me see your frisbee spin.
Nice. Are we winning, G?
No, right, yeah. Hey man, I'll tell you what, that's crazy as crumpets.
Crazy. No, crazy as trumpets. When did these get out? when were these released? Where's the parole officer for these babies?
The biggest boobs you've ever seen.
Smell?
I don't like it.
Smell? Smell?
How many 5 steps? 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it, bitch!
Take it. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
I thought it was that Disneyland resort, you know, where they do the rustic cowboy thing.
I need to sort the thing.
No one understands what we're doing.
Shooting there, mate. I like it. It's like, I like men being men, you know what I mean? I like men who are men. Let's go and get in a fight. Let's go and get in a fight, you're going to have a pint. Let's have a fight with a pint.
Look at these pictures. Beautiful. That's almost Dali. That's almost Dali down there.
It's almost. It's a try-hard picture. No, this one. What's this one? Thomas. Should I buy it? Look at prices. Should I buy it?
£4.
I'm going to buy it.
There's one for Tilton down there. It's like bagging.
Go get that one with the eyelashes. The frogs.
Controller. Where's the picture going?
£4 for the frogs. Oh, I get the lazy dragon. I like that one.
£2, mate.
Where'd you get that? Jacket on fly carrot.
What is this? Anna! Where did you get that from? Full Angus the monkeys. Hello, Jess. How are you doing?
How we doing? Right.
Maybe you're spending your money.
Already.
Fantastic, guys.
Oh, damn. Smile, girls. That's better pictures. What have you done to it? just can't buy this sort of stuff.
Good luck, darling.
Jesus. No wonder you were him. Oh my god, it's get poppers, it's downwind here. How are we doing? It's absolutely beautiful. Danny Quang, it's beautiful.
Fucking great.
Fucking brilliant. Beautiful. Look at them fuckers. You just can't buy it. You just can't buy stuff like that. You give it away usually, don't they? Beautiful.
God bless America. America can kiss my balls.
Beautiful. Oh,
Seen Genevieve?
I've seen her.
Yeah.
You've seen her.
What size is your teeth?
Right? Put too much hairspray in my hair today, I think. Who's looking at you, pretty mama?
Andrew Elvis.
Oh, will you marry me? Will you? As long as,
Yeah, I've already got the ring.
as long as you can provide the ring, that's fine.
Yeah, I've already got the ring. It's all right. I'm engaged again now. The ring's
The only ring I've got is a brown one. Oh dear. You can still put your finger on it if you want.
If I have to do that tomorrow, you can use the kids for
You can get 3 pieces of sweet corn. 3 pieces of sweet corn every push.
I like to eat my food.
Brother's walked into my bedroom with a pistol on top. No, I'm back in Sheffield.
This is how John Wayne started his career off. Beautiful.
Medium flag. Medium flag.
Every time the camera swings round, she's in proper smiles all the way. Beautiful. Catarama. Chicks adore me with this hair.
Yeah.
Have I put my eyebrows alright, Joe?
Just
Beautiful.
I think the wing
Too much hairspray, maybe.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, my eyebrows are sort of over there.
You would know about that when you can't. Oh, my little cat. I'm just filming the whole day.